Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs. Continuing our Melbourne tour, and today we are going to Yarra Valley and its different tourist spots. We will also have our first wine tasting experience as well as eating some sweet chocolates. So come and join us. Thank you, God, for all of these. The Yarra Valley is a region in Victoria, Australia, centered around the Yarra River, known for its natural beauty, agricultural significance, and as one of Australia's prominent wine-producing areas. The valley stretches from the upper reaches of the river near its source in the Yarra Ranges National Park down to the flatter lands as it approaches Melbourne. The Yarra Valley, located just over an hour from Melbourne, is Victoria's first planted wine region and is celebrated for its cool climate wines, particularly Chardonnay and Pinot Noir. The region also produces a range of other varietals, including Cabernet Sauvignon, Shiraz, and sparkling wines. With its picturesque landscapes and rich viticultural history, the Yarra Valley offers a perfect escape for wine enthusiasts. The Yarra Valley is renowned for its exquisite wine tasting experiences, featuring over 160 wineries and a variety of tours that cater to all preferences.
The only reason, I'm going to tell you that in a second. I don't want to ruin the surprise. So red grape making white wine.
Join us in our first wine tasting demo. Exciting!
Red colour is if you put the actual juice on the skin. Now, both white and red grapes are both the same colour when you squeeze them.
The host is talking about different kinds of wine and what to expect on their taste.
This has a nice grapefruit citrus flavour, but also has a nice hint of strawberry. Adam, you asked if it was sweet. It's a little bit of both. It's not too sweet, not too dry, so it kind of sits right in the middle. It's the anytime drink, so it goes with all food, breakfast, afternoon tea, Friday night. Perfect bubbles. Okay? So feel free to pour some water as I'm coming around. It's going to be someone's breakfast waiting. Now, is this the full party? No, waiting on the new one.
Now is for the chocolate hunting. Let us search the sweetest one to buy. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.
The chili prawn.
Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying I subscribe, and we will try our best to reply to you. This time, we are on a chocolate tasting seminars where the host is telling us different kinds of chocolates and variety of sweetness. His around 20 minutes talks and of course free tasting.
So everything, yeah, that's right. Everything may contain traces because of the way we manufacture. So as long as it's not a product of, okay. I'm just going to do that quickly while I'm thinking of it. So contains that, may contain. So most of them are saying that may contain. Are there nutty ones? Alright, this one is a no-go. I'll do that one last. Should be fine. Sorry guys, just going to organise this. So I'm just going to put that one last. Just so my glove doesn't get contaminated. The other nuts are fine. Alright, so there's quite a few that may contain traces. There's only one that does have it, so I'll put that one last. And that way we should be fine. Alright guys, sorry about that. Welcome to Yarra Valley Chocolate Theory. My name is Jodie and I always love to introduce you to my office because I reckon I've got a pretty nice view out my windows. We are situated here on 40 acres of the Yarra Valley and it is on Warren-Jerry land, and it doesn't matter if it's a cloudy day or a bright, brilliant sunny day, the view is always wonderful out my windows. As you can see, we grow a little bit of our own produce here. So we have some stone fruits, some citrus and some nut trees, and we can use those as inspiration in our chocolate making and even in our cafe. So we have a few different products that we're going to try today. We are one of 3 stores. We have a store open down at Great Ocean Road, one in Mornington, and we're building our 4th store in Bendigo at the moment, which is awesome. I'm hoping that might be finished by the end of next year. So before we get too excited about eating the chocolate, I always love to go through the process of making the chocolate. So we actually have a beautiful picture of a cocoa tree on the back wall there, and that's where the whole chocolate process making starts from. So our humble cocoa tree. These trees love living in the equator, in and around the equator, 20 degrees north or south, and we love to refer to that as the cocoa belt. It wraps around the world and it's all those hot tropical areas that it likes. The trees need to be 2 to 4 years mature before they start producing the flowers, which then turn into cocoa pods. So we have an example of a little cocoa pod here. This one is quite a small one, they can get much, much bigger. But when the cocoa pods form this beautiful rusty colour, that's when ripe and ready to harvest. So they're harvested off the tree using a big stick to whack them off, and then they're fermented. So they're cracked open and the seeds inside.
Have you been to Melbourne, Australia? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below.
So we have to do a whole range of different processes to those beans to get them into forming beautiful chocolate.
We are hungry and it's time to eat. Of course, we are in Australia, so we want to eat burgers and fries because burgers is life.
Yung chips pala nila, French fries, akala ko yung chips nila is French, akala ko, nachos, maan. Sige na sa'yo na. Makiag ka. Oh.
Another eating time, but this time our tour guide treated us to some delicious breads. Thank you so much, we will never forget you.
2 gin and 2 mocktails na. Ayaw nila. To all mocktails? Candy! You're not going to drink gin? Oh, that's why we're in a gin. Napagalitan mo ako. Kumuha na lang ng isa natin. Okay, wait lang. And then, ano bibigyan niya? Cheese bake ito.
Thank you for watching. Down to our last place to visit. More wine tasting for us. Yahoo!
All the grown-ups, all the adults.
Please like, share, and subscribe.